Hey friends, in this video we're going to talk about a new program that is going to start very soon that would require visitors to pay a bond in order to get their visa, their visitor's visa, to come to the US. If you'd like to hear more about this, watch this video. Guys, thanks so much for being with me in this one. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey. I'm an immigration lawyer in New York, but we work with people all over the world. If you have an immigration case or an issue that you need our help with, give us a call at 718-301-9732 or visit our website at McBeanLaw.com and schedule a consultation with us. So what's going on? Well, the latest is this, friends. The Trump administration, and I know you're probably rolling your eyes thinking, oh my God, what now? I mean, really, what now? They're on their way out, and yet McBean is putting videos in front of me about what they're doing. Well, you need to hear this. Hear me out. Because as you may have heard me say in a previous video, the Trump administration had put in place over 400 regulations around immigration. And so the Biden administration will be rolling back, of course, a lot of those regulations, but it will take some time. Now, what is going on now? What's happening with this whole visa bond issue? About a week ago, the State Department issued a notice in the Federal Register which talked about the fact that they are planning on starting a new pilot project or program on December 24th, 2020, and they will run this program, this pilot program, all the way until June 24th, 2021. And I'm going to pull up the bulletin here for you to take a look at for yourself and post a link below so that you can read more about this. This new rule is called the Visa Bond Pilot Program. And here's how it's going to work. The government is targeting countries that have a very high visa overstay rate. So they're looking at requiring a bond from individuals from those countries who are seeking the B1, B2 business visitor / tourist visa. And so what is the purpose of this? Is the purpose of this new pilot project to deter people from overstaying? Is that the purpose, Latoya? Well, no. And in fact, on page 1 of their notice here in the Federal Register, they say specifically that that is not the intent here. Well, what is the intent then? The intent or the purpose of this is for the Department of State and the Department of Homeland Security to figure out whether they can work together and have the right sort of processes in place to collect bond from individuals. That's all that this is about. And specifically, the language says this: the purpose of the pilot program is to assess the operational feasibility of posting, processing, and discharging visa bonds in coordination with the Department of Homeland Security to help assess the burden on government agencies and identify any practical challenges related to visa bonds. And then, guys, they specifically say the pilot program does not aim to assess whether issuing visa bonds will be effective in reducing the number of aliens who overstay their temporary business visitor / tourist visa. And so, guys, their intent is just to figure out some operational issues that doesn't involve us, obviously, but operational issues about whether they could really require a bond payment from visitors, collect the money, return the money to the visitor once the visitor leaves the country. So that's really what they're trying to do here. So this is very narrow, and it is for 6 months. It's from December 24th, 2020 again until June 24th, 2021. Now, the Biden administration can certainly choose to end this early. They don't have to keep this up, right? They could end it early. So we'll see how that goes. But right now, under the Trump administration, this is what they're going to do starting December 24th, 2020. How much will these bonds be? Well, the bulletin tells us that they're looking for bond to be posted in the amount of $5,000, $10,000, or $15,000 US dollars as a condition of visa issuance. And for folks from a lot of countries around the world who are coming here as visitors, that is a lot of money to come up with, right? 5,000, 10,000, or 15,000 US dollars is really a lot of money. So then the next question, guys, is, well, which countries are going to be impacted by this? And I must say that most of the countries that are on this list are African countries, although there are some Middle Eastern countries on here as well. And I'm going to put the list of countries up here for you to see, but it includes Afghanistan, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Sudan, Syria, Chad, Laos, Liberia, Libya, and a few other countries. So again, guys, this is a pilot program. It's going to target countries with the highest visa overstay rate, and this program will require these visitors to pay a bond of 5,000, 10,000, or 15,000 US dollars. Now, once this is rolled out, we'll see how this is shaken out and the number of people who are really going to be impacted by this. I'll keep you guys posted as things develop with this one. Also, guys, for those of you who are married and who are planning on filing for your spouse on your own, whether your spouse is overseas or here in the US, apply to my new Ultimate Marriage Petition program. We start on January 4th, but you should be submitting your application right now because enrollment ends on December 15th. So guys, get into my program. The link is below. And if your application is selected, you will receive the enrollment link into my new program. Friends, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to share it, like it, comment below. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get my videos each week. Guys, I appreciate you and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.